How do I transfer ownership of my AirPods to someone else?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that many of you might find useful: how to transfer ownership of your AirPods to someone else. Whether you're selling your AirPods or gifting them to a friend or family member, this guide will help you ensure a smooth transition.
Why do I need to transfer ownership?
First off, it's important to know that your AirPods are directly linked to your Apple ID, which means all your personal settings and preferences are saved on them. To protect your privacy and ensure that the new owner can fully use the AirPods, you need to remove the AirPods from your Apple ID and reset them to factory settings.
How do I disconnect the AirPods from my Apple ID?
Let's go through the process step by step. 1. Open the lid of your AirPods case but leave the AirPods inside. 2. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad that is associated with the AirPods. 3. Navigate to Bluetooth settings. 4. Find your AirPods on the list and tap the I icon next to their name. 5. Tap Forget this device and then confirm your decision. This will disconnect your AirPods from your Apple ID on that specific device.
How do I reset my AirPods to factory settings?
Next, we need to reset your AirPods to factory settings. Here's how to do it. 1. Keep the AirPods in their charging case. 2. Open the lid of your AirPods case so that the status light shows up. 3. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds. 4. Wait until the status light flashes amber, then white. Congratulations! Your AirPods are now reset to factory settings.
How does the new owner connect the AirPods?
Now that the AirPods have been reset, they can be paired with a new device. To do this, the new owner should 1. Open the lid of the AirPods case, keeping the AirPods inside. 2. Place the AirPods near the new device. 3. An animation should appear on the device's screen. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And there you have it. You now know how to transfer ownership of your AirPods. It's important to follow these steps to ensure your personal data is protected and the new owner can fully use the AirPods. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay connected.